Hey friends, Brian Weldon with eXp Realty. It's just another beautiful day in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Today I'm in Murrells Inlet and I'm going to take you through and feature a Toll Brothers home. This is the Magnolia model with the Craftsman exterior. It's beautiful. It's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, just a pinch over 2,600 square feet. And you're just going to absolutely love the finishes. Those of you that know Toll Brothers know that they do a nice job with their finishes and offer a great variety. So whether it's a ready-built home or you're looking to build from dirt up, you get plenty of options and choices here. So stay tuned. Can't wait to show you this one.